ka Umtyrnga Sport Club kalayora ya ka song Pisa ka basilak Tyngka hadin bagla pelim no ya ka Lamare Football Club daar la ka way kaba katay ka lempung yelekay kaday ka bala penlong da ka Bernihard Sport Association. Shah kata la sakhi ya ka jinga don lang Menteri rangba ka jella u Konrad Konggal sangma bad uba Sostenus Sotun MLA ka Jirang bad uba Victor Rani MDC ka Jirang ka Kong RM Kurba ka Deputy Commissioner ka Rephri District bad kiwe habakran lengkot hakatay ka lempung u Konrad ula kular ban ay da ka Christmas gift ban play mau nongrem na kabanta bantay thamay ya ka madan lekay ba thamay ka ban sadon lang bat ka gallery kumbalong pat kiwe ki madan ya lekay hakajalla. Habapai ya ka jinga khun hapdang ka Umtyrnga SC persha ya ka Lamare FC kalalong ka bala khloin Shah ban poi haki kenta ban kutno kaladon ka jingkeno bale shiliang khmat dau Rephri haba kiladon ki bakershan ya ka Lamare FC kilakta akti yo Rephri Henry latemno de ki bor pulet ki bala sakhilang hakate ka jinge lekai haba ka jingkulmar kala wan biang shakaba jai lapelong no e ka jinge sam ya ka khusnam. Kumta ko Umtyrnga Sport Club kalayo ra ika khusnam lembar ka song Pisa ka basilak Tyngka balasam du ba Sostenus Sotun baru ba Victor Rani bat ka Lamare FC kalayo ra ika khusnam lembar ka song Pisa ka Sanpho Hajar Tyngka balasam da ka Kong RM Kurba Deputy Commissioner ka Rephri District.
We are all here to enjoy the game, but having been given the opportunity to speak, all I would like to say is that as a government, the youth is our priority. As a government, we have come out with our youth as well as our sports policy. For the first time in the history of this state, we finally have a direction on where we would like to take our youth. We have a plan on how we would like to achieve it. And therefore, there is a lot of work to be done. But I am very happy to tell you that we have started the work and a lot of programs are going to be held when it comes to the youth. In respect to sports, you are aware that many infrastructure projects have been taken up in different parts of the state. The highest amount of infrastructure fund for sports arenas has been sanctioned by this government. And I am also happy to inform you that like we have sanctioned the projects in different parts of the state, we have also done that for this particular field where we are having this football final. It is with the help and support of your MLA that I would like to announce that we will be constructing the gallery and the stadium out here in this very field. And I can assure you that the Honorable Sports Minister, the Honorable MLA and myself will come back before this year's Christmas to give you a Christmas present by laying the foundation stone for this particular stadium. So friends, I would like to also congratulate both the teams that have made it to the final. I am sure that all the other teams also have played very well, but at the end there can only be one winner. So I congratulate all the clubs, all the players who have participated, and especially the two teams that have reached the final. I would like to congratulate both of you and may the best team win. Aga ching sisang ladon kawai ke subjek ke badon kam tam naga benca ban bu ya umarong lim naga benca ban snaya ke stadium aga de ka madan ka be internet jong ka Bernihard Sports Association halom nong lim
Renai nak kita bang lakir, gidangdon kijing penbet kau kisah keberangsa. Dengan try nganget scam i honorable chief minister jongi in sabatai api baro ya member jonga PSA ya baro kipai ba kirang basno gibodan agni kapur ba kumno lano anla bande ya kanika bansna ya kanika stadium tena kaliang jonga kum president jonga Boniat Sports Association barang ko joko por kum MLA Omday tanggaway ka request, omday tanggaway ka jikarpat. As I've always stated, sir, that being the MLA, and I'm also the president of Boniat Sports Association, I always want to uplift the youth. Nikwa aban kintewe kisama kamtam hagajile kai. We want the overall development for the constancy of Jirang. We want the overall development, be in sports, be in health, be in education, be in good, or any others. We are expecting you, sir, as you are always kind to me, to my people. On behalf of our people, I would like to thank to our Honorable Chief Minister that even though we are getting lots of projects from the government, but still, as I've stated, sir, in the program there in Mausmai, that still my constituency lacks many more development. So we are expecting to you, sir, as a leader who is always committed to the people of our state, especially the people of my constituency.
Kepada kita bawa ke sebuah balik dijaga kopi bidon, itu belum lagi program membuat.
Kashila, manu banyora Shila, Kashila, manu banyora Shila, Kashila, katornomen balapin long, Dhaka Bernihat Sports Association, Haka Nongkyrshan Basbun, MLA Sostenes Sotun. La 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 la, oh la 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 la, la 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 la, oh la 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 la.